Mm, Hello, stop using your mouse for everything on your Chromebook. You are just wasting so much time. In this video, I'm going to show you my ultimate keyboard shortcuts from my secret 2024 Master Dock that will make you a Chromebook OS power user in less than 5 minutes. Let's go. First up, let's talk about managing your screen like a pro. If you have 1 million tabs open for school or projects, stop clicking them one by one. Look at your if you accidentally close a tab, if you accidentally close the tab you need, don't panic. Just look at my screen. Just if you're on your favorite tab, a tab you need actually, but you accidentally slip your hand and close it, click Control Shift T, and boom, it's back. And do you want to split your screen perfectly to watch a video on one side and type on another? Hit Alt, straight left bracket, and then you could get your other thingy. And now click Control. Wait, what in the world? Alt. Right straight bracket, and then it's on this side. Now for the secret stuff that most people have no clue about. For most of the stuff that people don't have any clue about, instead of searching for a screenshot tool, just hit Control Alt Show Window. Then it'll let you do a window capture, and if you click Control Shift, and then Show Windows, then it'll let you select where you want to do the capture from, or video is recording, and if you need to spam emojis in a text or something, click the search key, shift space. And now the emoji bar will come, and then you could select your emoji and then add it. If your Chromebook ever freezes or a web page gets stuck, do not hold down the power button. Just press search escape. This opens up the hidden Chromebook task manager, so you can close whatever is freezing your system without restarting your system. If these shortcuts helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more Chromebook tutorials. Drop a comment down below telling me which shortcut from my dock was your favorite. See